how to find lost phone with Gmail account. So if you want to find a lost phone with Gmail account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to just go with the upper right, which has Gmail option. Just click on Gmail. Once you open up your Gmail, now you need to go with the profile again. And here you can go with the settings or just go with manage your Google account. And here you need to go with security, which is on the left. Under security, if you scroll down, then you will have an option of your devices. And under that, you will have find lost device. Just click on it and then you can select the device that you would like to find. So I'll just simply go with the first one. Now, if you've enabled the location of the device, then it will find the device. So as you can see that it has located the device, which is right here, which is my location. So make sure that the location is turned on your phone in order to find your lost device, and you'll be able to have the location. You can either go with secure device, which is on the left side, and you can go with secure device and you'll be able to secure it, or you can just simply go with factory reset the device. So that's it. That's how you can find your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.